Today, we'll be learning how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. To add or subtract fractions, you need to find a common denominator. It can be any common multiple of the two denominators. You multiply both the numerator and the denominator of each fraction by the number required to get to the common denominator. For example, in the problem 1/3 plus 4/5, 1/3 is multiplied by 5 over 5 and 4/5 by 3 over 3 to give you 5 over 15 plus 12 over 15. Then you add or subtract both numbers to get the answer and simplify if possible. 5 over 15 plus 12 over 15 is equal to 17 over 15, which simplifies to 1 and 2 over 15. Another example is 6 over 11 minus 1 over 12. 6 over 11 is multiplied by 12 over 12, and 1 over 12 is multiplied by 11 over 11 to get to the common denominator of 132. This gives you 72 over 132 and 11 over 132. Subtracting, you will get 61 over 132 as your final answer. To multiply fractions, multiply the numerators and denominators separately and then simplify. For example, in the problem 2/3 times 3/4, it's equal to 2 times 3, the product of the numerators, over 3 times 4, the product of the denominators. This is equal to 6 over 12, which simplifies to 1/2. To divide two fractions, multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the other fraction. To get the reciprocal of a fraction, you take the denominator and make it the numerator, and take the numerator of the original fraction and make it the denominator of the new one. For example, when you have 3/5 divided by 1/3, you can multiply 3/5 by 3 over 1 to get the answer of 9/5 or 1 and 4/5.